Sharing 3D CAD models and received an STPZ file from an engineer. This is a compressed version of the STEP standard for efficient transfer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these compressed STEP 3D CAD files. I call this the last resort solution for those STPZ files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. STPZ files are compressed STEP 3D CAD files, combining the ISO 10303 STEP standard format with built-in compression for smaller file sizes during transfer. They contain neutral 3D geometry assembly structures, part metadata, and product manufacturing information used for CAD data exchange across engineering tools and platforms. STPZ files wrap a standard STEP AP203, AP214, or AP242 dataset in a compressed container, reducing file size for transfer. The format preserves complete STEP content including BREP geometry, assembly hierarchies, tolerances, and PMI data, while CAD applications transparently decompress STPZ during import operations. We recommend using SolidWorks by Dassault Systems to ensure proper reading of STPZ. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. We are checking the software list for a compatible opener. Right-click your STPZ file and select Open With. If SolidWorks is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every possible application. If the STPZ file won't budge, stay calm. This STPZ format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, opening in CAD Software. Most modern CAD applications, including SolidWorks, Fusion 360 Inventor, and FreeCAD, support STPZ directly. Use the application's file, then open or import function, and select the STPZ file. The CAD tool decompresses and parses the embedded STEP data, loading the 3D geometry and assembly structure for editing. Next, decompressing manually. Try renaming the STPZ extension to dataset and extracting with 7-zip or WinRAR. The archive typically contains a standard STEP file with .stp or .step extension. Once extracted, the STEP file opens in any CAD application supporting standard STEP format imports for broader compatibility with older CAD tools. Finally, converting formats. Use a CAD format converter such as CAD Exchanger or the import-export functions in Fusion 360 to convert STPZ to other 3D formats like IGS, Parasolid, XMT, or native CAD formats. This is useful when downstream tools need a different format or do not support compressed STEP files directly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.